LHS equal to y plus k y plus k y plus k. RHS is k square into 3y plus k. So we need the term 3y plus k. Here we can change R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then first row becomes 3y plus k. Here also 3y plus k. Here also 3y plus k. No change for R2 and R3. Then take 3y plus k from the first row. Then first row becomes 1, 1, 1. y plus k, y plus k. If you have 1, 1, 1 in first row or any other row, change these two into zeros. We can make it as C2 changes to C2 minus C1, C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Now change for first column, that is 3y plus k into 1y 1 minus 1 0, y plus k minus yk, here y minus y 0. 1 minus 1 0, y minus y 0, y plus k minus yk. Expanding along first row, we have 3y plus k into determinant k 0 0 k. That is equal to 3y plus k into k square minus